Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, my friends. William Okidi here. As you can see, man, I'm in a reading mood. I have with me this lovely book, The Central War During the Achona by Onyango Kudo and J.B. Webster. It's a beautiful, wonderful historic book. And I'm reading here, chapter 5, about Wurugwok of Padibe. Wurugwok was one of the greatest of the Rodi of Padibe. He was born at Lalak and succeeded his father Anyala at the time of the coming of Kuturea. Kuturea, these were the Arabs. He is the only known Rod of Padibe who ruled for a very long time, about 60 years. He retired in 1912 and committed suicide in 1920. He ruled through the difficult time of foreign intervention. Ugwok was a kind man, said to be very humorous, to mix freely and to be at ease with all kinds of men. He met Reverend Lloyd, and the Reverend, in his Uganda to Khartoum book, had this to say about him. He extended to us the most hearty welcome, ushering us into his hut with the natural polish of a born gentleman. I was greatly struck by this man. Tall and impressive in stature, he combined with it the unusual tact of extreme politeness. Nor did anyone feel he had any side or that his welcome was merely political. We soon discovered that he was a man in the true sense of one of considerable ability. Among his subjects, he was enormously respected, but at times he was at loggerheads with the elders, particularly when he had to act without their consent. Ugwok had a large family of about 50 ladies and considerably over 60 children. Because he was born and lived in an atmosphere very much influenced by Kuturea, Ugwok became quite thoroughly Arabized. Chief Ugwok has become a perfect Dongolese in clothing and manners. He speaks fairly good Arabic. He sits and sleeps on a kareb and entertains his guests with coffee. Nevertheless, this doesn't prevent his many wives and children appearing in their native costume. That is to say, almost entirely naked except for some short apron. Vita Hassan described Ugwok as indisputably the most civilized black man in the whole of Central Africa. That's just a little snippet of reading for today. Thank you, my friends. William Okidi. Have a good day.